Alrighty. Had a few problems that we needed to review, and these were just the most missed problems from quiz 2. So let's take a look at these. The first one wants us to find the circumference of the circle, give the exact circumference and then approximation. So if we look at the circle here, we see that the radius is 15 inches. From the center to any outside point on the circle is your radius, which is 15 inches. So the formula to find the circumference is circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. Alright, so we know that the radius is 15 inches. So all we have to do to find the exact circumference is multiply 2 times pi times 15, which will give us 30 times pi inches. So that is our exact circumference. Now it says for the approximation to use pi at equaling 3.14. So I can go directly from there to find my approximation by replacing pi with 3.14. And then when I multiply that out, I end up with 94.2 inches. Okay, so let's look at another problem. The next problem we have is to find the area of the circle. We're given that the radius is equal to 6 inches. We want to find the exact area and the approximate area. So the formula for the area of a circle, pi times the radius squared. So to find the exact area, we just replace the radius with 6. 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is 36. So the exact area is 36 pi inches squared. The approximation, again, we're just going to replace pi with 3.14. So 36 times 3.14, 113 and 4 hundredths. And I think it wanted us to round to the nearest hundredth if as needed. So there we go. And that is our approximation. Okay, this next problem, we're finding the area again. However, looking at this diagram, they're giving us the diameter. Remember, we need the radius to find the area or the circumference. They're giving us the diameter here, which is the line that goes through the center from one point touching the circle to another point touching the circle, through the center of the circle. So the radius is just half of our diameter. So if our diameter is equal to 4, then our radius is equal to 2. And again, we just looked at the formula for the area of a circle, pi r squared. Now replace r with 2. Therefore, the area of this circle, the exact area, is 4 pi, and we're looking at inches again, so square inches or inches square. Square inches. And then approximation, take that answer and simply substitute 3.14 in for pi. That's the approximation for pi. And multiply that out. And that gives us 12.56. Alrighty, let's look at one more problem. It says to find the area of the picture frame shown to the right. So we're going to find the area of this shaded portion here. So the area of the entire frame, including the cutouts, would be, I'll call that full area, would be 9 times 7 because the area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so the full area, 9 times 7, 63 centimeters squared. And then we need to subtract the area of the inside of that cutout there. So the area of the inside of the white portion is 6 times 2, or 12 centimeters squared. And to find the area of the frame, that's just going to be the full minus the inside. Or 63 minus 12. So the area of the frame is simply 51 centimeters squared. Alrighty, good people. I hope you found that to be helpful. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.